10. Must-have soft skills to be an ace software developer. Hey coders, ready to level up your career as a software developer? Technical skills like coding and debugging are crucial, but here's the secret sauce. Soft skills. These are the game changers that make you stand out in teams, nail interviews, and thrive in the fast-paced tech world. Today, we're diving into the 10 essential soft skills every developer needs to excel. Number 1. Communication. Whether you're debugging with a teammate or pitching a feature to stakeholders, clear and concise communication is key. Imagine you're explaining a tricky bug to your product manager. Instead of drowning them in jargon, simplify it. The app crashes because the server response is delayed. We can fix it by optimizing the API call. Done. In a cross-functional team at a startup, junior dev Sarah used active listening and clear explanations to align her team on a tight deadline, saving the project from derailment. Number 2. Teamwork and collaboration. Software isn't built solo. Teamwork and collaboration involve synchronizing with designers, product managers, and QA engineers to ensure seamless integration of all components. Think agile sprints or pair programming. Success hinges on mutual accountability. At a tech giant, developers use clear naming conventions and detailed documentation to ensure smooth handoffs. Number 3. Problem solving. Debugging, designing features, or architecting systems, it's all about breaking down complex issues. Imagine you're debugging a performance lag. Instead of panicking, you isolate the problem, test hypotheses, and optimize the solution. A senior developer employed systematic debugging to resolve a payment gateway issue, resulting in the preservation of thousands of transactions. Number 4. Adaptability. Tech moves fast, and adaptability keeps you ahead. Whether it's learning a new framework or pivoting during a project shift, embracing change is non-negotiable. When a major cloud provider updated its APIs, a dev team at a fintech startup quickly adapted, ensuring their app stayed live. Adaptability, your must-have skill for tech career success, shares stories like this. Number 5. Time management. Juggling coding, meetings, and learning? That's where time management shines. Prioritizing tasks and breaking down sprints can make or break your day. A developer at a gaming company used task decomposition to deliver a feature ahead of schedule. Number 6. Empathy and emotional intelligence. They are your secret weapons. Understanding your teammates' perspectives or handling feedback gracefully builds trust. During a tense code review, a developer used empathy to address a teammate's concerns, improving the code and team morale as shared in emotional intelligence for engineers. Number 7. Critical thinking. Critical thinking goes beyond problem solving. It's about questioning assumptions and making informed decisions. Should you optimize for speed or scalability? Critical thinking helps you choose wisely. An engineer avoided premature optimization by evaluating trade-offs, saving weeks of rework. Number 8. Conflict resolution. Disagreements happen over code style or product direction. Conflict resolution turns tension into progress. In a heated GitHub thread, a developer resolved a merge conflict by focusing on shared goals. Number 9. Growth mindset. The best developers never stop learning. A growth mindset means embracing feedback and challenges as opportunities for growth. A junior developer overcame imposter syndrome by seeking mentorship and learning from mistakes. Number 10. Leadership. You don't need a manager title to show leadership. It's about taking initiative, mentoring others, and influencing outcomes. A senior dev at a startup mentored a junior team, driving a successful product launch. There you have it, the 10 soft skills that will take your software developer career to the next level. From communication to leadership, these skills aren't just nice-to-haves, they're must-haves. Start practicing today and watch your career soar. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking my content for more exciting software development topics.